We had 100 avatars, and they would have to break their own rules to become 101. And then we'll all, Gorilla DeVille will use us for a coat. No one's taking my pill. 2 drink minimum? No. I'm at the 2 drink per minute minimum. I have sipped upon your love, and I believe that we are as ever been. Be with the wonderful people. TP, please. Please. Where am I running? Oh, Phoenix. No, Firestorm. Come to this train, be with the wonderful people. No, we're not having a collection. Give you a link. I want you to look at the form. I want you to look at that form, look at the questions there, and think over your answers. Let us know what this meant to you. What ideas you have. If you Lord! We are community. All aboard a train. We didn't need 20's train. We could have had this party on a train. We could have been the party train. You know? It would have been the opposite of Steven 6-2 Dark Territory. Because we are the light. This isn't dark territory. It's unknown territory. We're heading to the end of the line. Awesome! Wherever we go, we bring the awesome with us. We are the awesome. Look at this! Look at all these people! Look at all these people who fall for my craziness. Who think this is people having a blast on a freaking train that's going nowhere. But we are going somewhere. We are going somewhere together in the future, minute by minute.
That's truly true.
It's true. It's all true. Okay, I would. All right, I would lie. I'd lie. I am the cake. I am the cake that lies. This is a beautiful thing. Oh yeah. I retired the bag. I recycled it. I used it for kitty litter. This is a beautiful thing. This is beautiful. This is community. If we ever started, we never stopped. Never stopped.
Yep. This is community. All by ourselves. Without other people in this.
No. It's going to be performance, and it's going to be a smutty. It's a classic kind of smut. So that now we can actually perform something and not have.
You can use the word club.
So fire up fraps. And this is going to be about feedback. This will get people, let the staff know. We're all aboard the train for questions, comments, or even sponsorships for even more. So y'all are going to be in a movie. Well, you can pretend to be famous, but you're not as famous as me. Tickets, please. On, ticket, please. Move through. Move through. Tickets, please. Excuse me. You have to put that hat away. The overhead bin, please. Tickets, please. Tickets. Uh-oh. Greeting, angel of death. Boogie, 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 boogie. Aboard the SL9B train. Welcoming you to the future. Being made 1 minute at a time. So, you had a good time, all your folks. We are the ones who made it happen. These are the wonder people. The Lindens may have created the platform, but we made the world, and we made it live. So, what did you really think? No, come on, tell me. You can tell, and the whole staff of SL9B at sl9b.wordpress.com and click on the feedback link and fill out that form. And everyone on the staff is going to read it. So your ideas for next year, what went right, what went wrong, what you enjoyed, will you volunteer for next year? Let us know. Tell us. This is resident run. You are a resident. Therefore, help us run it into something other than the ground. So, that's it from me. Climb aboard, get on the train, and we're heading to SLB10. When's the, you know, this isn't dead yet. It is SL9B fame, but, you know, they just didn't let it fly. They picked community. And where are you going? Hey, come back here. Hey, come back here. Hey, I'm not done yet.